Hello guys, good morning. Today we will discuss about the important features of Telegram, how you can use this Telegram effectively. So let's begin. If you don't have Telegram means you have to install this one from Play Store. Let's open. I have already installed, so that's why I'm directly opening now. Open this Telegram. You can see here. First, there are many useful features in this. So let's begin one by one. I will show you one of the important feature. I'll show you one of the important features. See, I'm typing on message here. Hi, subscribe please, and click on I will send now. So if you want to edit this means what you have to do, some people will delete this one and after that they'll retype, right? In Telegram there is no need to retype this one. Just hold on this message and click on this pencil button on the corner, on the top of the corner. So I'm clicking on that. I am sending, right? I have changed my opinion and click on this right mark. See here you can see, right? Without deleting that message we have edited that message. Even you are not getting message also, right? This message has been edited. In some of the social media you will get that this message has been edited, but in Telegram it will not come. So it's one of the useful thing. And again, see, some of the people will be having crush on others, right? If they will be like hesitated to contact them and ask their numbers. So what they have to do? Just use this Telegram. Just open here new add contact. Click on this add contact. One second, I will show you one second. See what you have to do. Contacts. Click on this contacts. You can use this find people nearby. What is that meaning? Find people nearby means it's we are owning location of our phone. What is that meaning? If we on this location, no, it will search by the people who are using Telegram nearby you. If your crush is also using Telegram and she is online means you can directly get her number and you can start chatting with her or with him. It's one of the best feature, right? Without knowing their number also we can chat with them. So it's one of the very useful thing. And another next one feature is, what is that? See here you can open this saved message. You can next is image grouping. What is that image grouping? Here I'm selecting four images. Okay, I'm selecting four images just for, see here I have selected two messages, three messages, four messages. And here you have an option here on the top. See, three dots is there, right? You can send without grouping or send with or without compression. What is that meaning? I will show you with live only. I will use now send without grouping. Without grouping means you will get the messages like this, right? You will get messages like this. If you want to use this send without compression means how you will get, just select those messages and click on these three dots, send without compression. Use this option. These messages will come like this, right? Means what is that meaning? Here in first option that images will directly come, right? In second option it will come in the form of coded things. So this is also one of the best features. What the next one is, see here I will show you one thing which is very useful. I will show you. Here Ashi is there, right? So I want to delete this all weeks merged message. Actually she has sent that one. So if you want to delete this means what you have to do, click on hold on this one and click on this delete option. See, you will get one option also, delete for Ashi. Means what it's saying, if you use the, if you click on this one na, this message will also delete from her phone also, right? So from that message will be deleted from our phone memory also. It's also very useful, right? Without using her mobile we can delete that message. So that if you are using Telegram to chat with anyone means you can use this one. And if you send any messages she has replied to any vulgar things means you can delete both side messages from both side by using this one. So another one is there. What is that? Self distraction. So let's open that one. Open, say I'm opening now. You can select this one. I'll select this one, and here one option is there, right? You'll get one option, right? Select that message. I have selected this message, and if you want to delete this message, no, if you want to delete this message after some time means what you have to do. See here, one option is there, self distraction. Means you have to select this clock. Just open clock. See, you can see a time. If you want to select, if you want to delete that message after 10 seconds or after 1 minute, you can select whatever time you want. See, right, up to one maximum up to 1 minute you can, they can able to see that message, and after that this message will be automatically deleted. So this is very useful feature. You have to try this one. And another one is there, you can add multiple accounts in at a time. See here, what is that meaning? So you click on this add account. See here, I'm using this Telegram with my one of the number. So if you want to add two numbers to the Telegram, what you have to do, just select just give your number here. I'm just giving randomly. You can give your number and click on this next button, and it will ask for some of the things or OTP. It will ask, so just provide that OTP, and you can start using two numbers in a same WhatsApp application, same Telegram application, without buying other mobile. So next one is next what you have to do. I have told you about instant location. You can even you can share the live location also. How to do? Just open that chat, and you can see it. Location option is there. Click location. See, it's coming, right? Just click on allow. Open settings. You have to enable in screen overlay detected. So open settings and apps. In that you have to enable this feature. So you would have noticed it, right? In WhatsApp also they have provided this feature, means live location sharing or location sharing up to some time, right? It's also important feature. And what you have to do next, you can do secret chat also in this one. See, one option is there. Where is that? Chat, new secret chat. You can select whatever the numbers you want, no? You can select the contact, and you can start saying that you can start texting with them in secretly. And after some time it will be automatically deleted. So this is also one of the best feature. And what is that next one? You can, another option is you can send video specifically. What is that meaning? I will show you live. Just open your that contact whomever you want to send, and click on this. I am selecting one video, right? You can send this is self destruct timer. You can, I already told you about this. And what is that, you can select here, right? I want to select only, I want to send only this much time video, right? If your video is 1 hour video means, if you want to send that only 5 minutes video means, you can drag here. I am doing, right? So this is one of the best feature. We can do like this, right? Next feature is, let's discuss about next feature. Okay, let's talk about the next features of this Telegram. You can send audio message also. See here, just you have to provide the access to this one. So click on allow. Open settings, same way you have to do in settings. you have to provide the application settings of permissions, so then only it will allow. So you can send that audio message also. Even you can select the what are the images from your gallery also. Even you can send the files also. Means files means what it will be, it will be like for example what are documents will be there, right? Some of the documents, even your mark sheet or some other documents also you can send from this. You can share your live location. Even you can send your contacts by using this. And even you can share the music files also. So these are the very useful things. And another one is there, right? You can select emojis and see, you can send GIF. And even you can select this, right? After trending stickers will be coming in this one. You can select any one. See, I will select this one, home electronics. Add. You can select anyone from here, right? Even you can setting in settings, even you can do what are the changes you want. You can select your trending stickers is there. What are the trending stickers? You can select anyone from this one. And you can use these directly in the charts. And another one important thing is you can even do some customized settings also, where they will you will get that one. You have to go by settings in background, and you can select this notification and sounds. See here, if you want to disable this chat notification, na, just turn off this one. If you want to, if you don't want to disable means you can on this one. And groups also is there. I have kept this off because you, in groups now a lot of people will be there and they will be sending a lot of the messages, right? If you don't want to uh, hear those notification means you can just uncheck this one. And you can during in you know that using this telegram also you can you can do video calls or what's normal calls. So if you want to keep this ringtone or vibrate mode means you can do here. And another one is see in all these are important. These are the some of the features. Even you can off this chat sounds also, app operates, app sounds. And even you can pin your message also. If you are in any other in some of the groups means if you want to see your message to all the people means you just pin that message by long holding that message. And you can see some background connection. If you don't want to do all this means if you want to use this basic model means you have to just click on this reset all the notification. I hope you have liked this video and you got all the information of telegram. So just try this once and it will be very useful for you. And uh, your data will be secured only. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day.